You're never not going to have hair under here, but see how long this is? This is how long your leg hair will get again, and then it's gonna hurt. So you need to keep up with it just to lessen it a little bit. 1, 2, 3. What the fuck? Stop.
I don't use condoms.
Don't be stupid. You'll fucking get diseases. That's the dumbest fucking thing I've ever heard. You're an idiot. Other than getting a girl pregnant, you'll get some fucking weird diseases.
Mushroom dick.
Oh, ew. What the fuck is that?
That's where you got mushrooms growing out of the tip of your penis.
Oh, that's nice. That must be a new thing.
It's the new trend on TikTok.
Oh, that's great. I'm not on TikTok anymore. I
Why?
don't fucking care
Because
to
I
it.
blocked you?
Because you fucking blocked me. Unblock me so I could see what my clients are seeing.
No.
I might get hate for this, but spicy edition. Who would give the viewer a spicy neck kiss? Honestly, I actually can see that. Who's gonna growl at the viewer? Oh no! Mario! Who sets the atmosphere by taking off their shirt? Dude, you're like 30! Retry, who's gonna take off the shirt and set the mood? I can't win, who's gonna take off their shirt? No! Who's going to take off their shirt? Finally! An actual character that makes sense! Who sets the mood with candles? Yeah, that makes sense! Who just wants to snuggle and cuddle you? Who's gonna bite your neck? Oh my god! Ah!
What the fuck?
What are you guys doing?
Ollie. Leah's like, what the fuck? Leah, what is he doing? What is happening?
I can swear, I can joke. I say what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys. And
eating animals is wrong, Gordon Ramsay. Hurting animals is wrong, Gordon Ramsay. Share this song, and if you call me a donut, that's fine.
Vegan
as long as
donut.
you're vegan from now on.
Hey yo, Maddie, I got a question for you. Do you love Pudgy? You do?
Smacking it, smacking it, smacking it, smacking it. What you gotta say, Moshi? Let's ask Pudgy how he slept last night. Hey yo, Pudgy. How'd you sleep last night, my guy? Finally got a new cut, looking like Will Ferrell. Napoleon Dynamite. Say what you want. I like it. It's clean. But I asked Pudgy how he feels about it. Hey Pudge, how you feel about the cut? How you feel about it? Be honest. Pudgy, it's too early for you to be making a mess like this. Shit bussin'. Oh, for sure. Yo, Pudge, you might have a MILF on your hands. Can I get an hour? Ow! Thank you.